What's up, guys? It's Matt with Family Tradition Farms. Today we're playing an exciting game of equipment shuffle. So we're going to get everything opened up down here at the shop, jump in the truck, run down to the storage barn, move some stuff out of the way, hopefully be able to get the planter out. That's if everything goes as planned. So you guys stick around. I'm going to get it opened up here. We're going to jump in the truck. We're going to start moving some stuff. Light change plants. We pulled in the driveway down here. I guess the wind decided to knock some limbs out of the pine trees. So we gotta pick these guys up, get them dragged over to the pile, clear the driveway out of the way. We'll get these picked up real quick, then we'll get the barn opened. Alright guys, welcome to the storage barn. Show you the plan here. We've got to get this seed tender out. Now this isn't mine, obviously. It's my uncle's, who also shares this machine shed with me. We got to get the combine out. Hopefully it's going to start. It's been sitting a while. It's been pretty cold. And then we should be able to get to the planter. So we're going to play a quick little game of equipment shuffle. Hopefully everything goes as planned and we get stuff moved out and get the planter down to the shop. Right, guys, we got that done. Sorry I didn't film it. Everything was going way too smooth and I didn't want to throw off the groove. We had no problems. Combine started right up, got it pulled back in. Seed tender hooked up actually pretty quick. Couple forwards and backs and she was hooked up. Got it tucked in so it's easy to get back out. I'm going to get the barn shut up. We're going to head back down to the shop, get the planter put into the shop, get started on some spring maintenance. Well, we're going to go ahead and get the 806 oil changed. Little bit of issue is my fault. I should have done it before I put the loader on. So this loader frame is pretty well right in the way of the fill point. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. So there's where you fill, and there's a bracket. So getting the oil there is a huge problem. But on top of that, if that side wasn't bad enough, on the other side, where the oil filters are, it's pretty well the same situation. Here's the oil filter set right back here, and here's the bracket right in the way. So what I'm going to do is start the tractor up. Hopefully it starts. It's a little cold out, and we're going to scooch the bucket off just a little bit. Basically, I'll pull it forward, unpin it, and leave it setting out just a little bit farther. That way I should have enough room to get to the oil change. Alright, we've got the oil drained out, got the filters dropped out. We're going to put a Wix filter in. The Wix number for the Farmall 806 is 51151. Now, these filters up in the housing, there's a little O-ring that you always need to replace. I don't know if I'll be able to get this one out one-handed. There's 2 little O-rings up here. The new filters come with the O-rings. So we're going to get these O-rings taken out, get the new filters dropped into the canisters, and then get them reinstalled. Alright, we got the oil change done on the 806. Got some new Wix filters thrown in there. Got some 30 weight engine oil put in it. It is Case IH branded engine oil because I had some left over from the last time we changed it. So the 806 is ready to go. Check the hydraulic oil, topped it off, hit the grease points because there's quite a few of them on these old machines, and got new filters in it. So other than a couple little things that I want to look at before we go to the field, the 806 is ready to go. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. If you got any questions, comments, drop them down below, and I'll be sure to respond to them as quick as I possibly can. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks, and you guys have a good one.